Hmm. Yes.
Steps of all respondents comfortable. And we need to take fresh steps.
Okay.
Who may kindly allow us.
Yes. When? Okay, after a week. Hmm. 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 2 weeks. Item number 6. 2 weeks. Item number 6. Hmm. 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 Okay. Oh, Monday? Today? Possible?
If the filing is ready, then it's not.
If possible today, then
If the filing
otherwise
is-
on Monday. Yes. We'll check if possible then today, and if not, then on Monday.
Item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I'm appearing through BC, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, instruction was to be sought by the government side.
Yes.
Lordship, I have received instruction.
Yes.
Lordship,
Hmm.
before coming to this instruction, may I take Lordship to paragraph 1, Lordship,
Paragraph 1.
paragraph of the writ petition, Lordship.
Okay. Yes.
That the petitioners are citizens of India and the indigenous inhabitants of Sekar village,
Hmm.
Mechuka Circle, Siyomi district. They are registered voters in part number 17(8)(8)(1) of Panchayat electoral roll in serial number 23, house number so and so, serial number so and so, house number so and so. The petitioner number 1
Hmm.
is contesting candidate for the office of the Gram Panchayat member of Sikar village, Lordship.
Okay.
Now this is his statement, Lordship. Then kindly come to paragraph 4, Lordship. How the petitioner 2 has come into Lordship. Why the petitioner number 2 is before us, Lordship. Regarding the petition number 1 again, Lordship. That the petitioner number 1 since intend to contest the upcoming election for Gram Panchayat member.
Hmm.
The presence of 23 bogus voters in a small village constituency is a mathematically sufficient to alter the election's outcome, thereby prejudicing his candidature. Now, the question, paragraph number 5, Lordship. This is pertaining to petitioner number 2, how he is deportation code. The petitioner number 2 is found that these 23 individuals, serial number 27, 31, 32, 43 to 62, were fraudulently enrolled under his house number AP18 without his knowledge or consent. Regarding this, here, Lordship, so far the instruction is concerned, Lordship. This is only the clerical error, Lordship. It should be 18A, not 18. So these people, they have been enrolled against the 18A, the house number 18A, not 18. This is purely a clerical error on the part of the authority, Lordship. Then next, I would like to take Lordship to my instruction.
To be 18A,
18A,
not 18.
not 18.
Hmm.
This petitioner number 2 is the Lordship owner of this particular house number 18. And
House number 18.
18, the petitioner number 2, Lordship. And his contention is that these people have been enrolled against the house number 18, who is unknown to Lordship, the house number 18, Lordship.
So clerical error of authority
Is that it should be 18A, not 18, Lordship.
relating to house number 18, no?
A, these people have been enrolled against the house number 18A.
18. And all the respondents have been enrolled against house number 18A.
18, not the all, but the few of the voters, Lordship.
Voters, or few of the respondents.
Respondents, Lordship. 18A.
So this falls in another area,
Lordship.
another area.
And this same area only, Lordship. House number different, Lordship.
Okay.
Then may I take Lordship to the page
Mm.
page 1, the first page, Lordship.
Mm.
This is the Lordship lottery drawn. This time for 33 reservations for the women, Lordship.
Page 1 of the,
First page, Lordship. First page of my instruction.
of your instruction.
Instruction, Lordship. This is lottery was drawn on 27 October 2025, Lordship. And as per this lottery, Lordship, kindly come at serial number 8.
Yes.
Sekar village,
Lottery drawn on 27?
October 2025, Lordship.
Okay. Yes.
And this serial number 8, Lordship.
Yes.
The subject here is pertaining to this particular segment, that is Sekar village. Yes, Lordship. 17/8/1, Lordship. This poll for women reservation this time, Lordship. Now, how the petitioner he want to contest this election, Lordship? And it's very unfortunate, Lordship. Petitioner is a sitting GPM, Lordship. He's a sitting Gram Panchayat member, Lordship. And he was present all the time, Lordship. Well, when this lottery was drawn, at that point of time also he was present, Lordship. And knowing that, Lordship, this particular statement has been made in the writ petition, Lordship, that he want to contest, Lordship. He is going to contest this election. Whereas this seat polls for, Lordship, women reservation this time, Lordship. Now, next, I would like to take Lordship to the Panchayat manual,
Panchayat manual, yes.
Lordship.
Panchayat manual.
Panchayat manual है.
It will be there. It won't be very
On,
yes, small volume. Panchayat manual.
नहीं ये manual का ना section को हम ले.
Yes. Oh, she's got it. Thank you so much. Panchayat manual, yes.
Yes, I would like to take Lordship to in this manual, Lordship, page number Lordship page number Lordship 31, Lordship 31,
Page 31.
Lordship.
Yes.
Sorry, 32, Lordship
32.
32. This is section 114, Lordship.
Section 111. It will be called a section, no? Manual.
Manual. This is particular act, Lordship. This manual is consists of the act and rules.
Then this will be section.
This is section.
114 is section.
Is section, Lordship.
Okay.
This is Arunachal Pradesh Panchayati Raj Act 1997, Lordship.
Okay.
This particular
Of Panchayati Raj Act.
act. This is act, Lordship. May I like to? I would like to read this.
Yes, yes.
Any person whose name is not included in the electoral roll of a constituency may apply to the electoral registration officer in the prescribed manner for the inclusion of his name in that roll. The election registration officer shall, if satisfied that the applicant is entitled to be registered in the electoral rolls, direct his name to be included therein. Provided that if the applicant is registered in the electoral roll or any other constituency, the electoral registration officer shall inform the electoral registration officer of the other constituency, and that officer shall, on the receipt of the information, strike off the applicant's name from that roll. No amendment or deletions of any entry shall be made under section 113, and no direction for the inclusion of name a name in the electoral roll of a constituency shall be given under this section after the last date for making nominations for an election in that constituency and before the completion of that election, Lordship. Now, last date is on Monday, Lordship.
Mm.
Last date is Monday.
Mm.
Now, today is Friday, Lordship. It was filed yesterday, moved yesterday, Lordship. So, what it says, Lordship, there cannot be any amendment in the electoral roll after, Lordship, last date of nomination, Lordship. The last date is Monday. Now, next is, Lordship, kindly come to Rule 27 of page 54, Lordship. This is Arunachal Pradesh Panchayat's preparations of electoral rules 2002, Lordship. And relevant is page 61, Lordship.
This is the once more. What
The-
rules?
Kindly come to page 54, Lordship.
Page 54.
54, Lordship. This is Arunachal Pradesh Panchayat's
Okay.
preparations of electoral rules
Yes.
2002, Lordship. And here, Lordship may come to Rule 27, Lordship. That's at page 61,
Rule 27.
Rule 27, Lordship.
Yes.
Here, Lordship will say deletions of the names, Lordship.
Mm.
How one name of a person can be deleted from the e-roll, Lordship. Here, all the things are given here, Lordship. Details are given. I am taking a Lordship to the proviso. That's at page 62. On the top, Lordship.
Yes, yes.
Provided that before taking any action under this rule, in respect of any person on the ground, that he had ceased to be of or is not ordinary resident of constituency or is otherwise not entitled to be registered in that role, the electoral registration officer shall make every endeavor to give him a reasonable opportunity to show cause why the action proposed should not be taken in relation to him, Lordship. Now, Lordship, the private respondent, rightly or wrongly, they have been enrolled against this particular segment, Lordship. Now, to delete them also, they have to be heard, Lordship, as per the provisions. Now, law says, Lordship, there will be no amendment or deletions or addition after the last date of nomination, Lordship. Last date of nomination is Monday. And opportunity of hearing has to be given to the aggrieved party, because if there's a proposal to delay someone, Lordship, without hearing him, deletion cannot be done, Lordship. So all this process, Lordship, it will take time. And therefore, at this stage, this deletion addition is not permissible as per the law, Lordship. That's one thing, Lordship. And apart from that, Lordship, if Lordship see the rule 29, Lordship,
Rule 29.
Rule 29. 29, Lordship, Rule 29.
Yes.
The roles of every constituency shall be revised under subsection 2 of section 112, either intensively or summarily or partly intensively or partly summarily, as the State Election Commission may direct after consulting the state government, Lordship. Now, this revision in the election process is under the control of the Lordship, State Election Commission, Lordship, who is a statutory body who is responsible for this these registrations of electoral rolls and conducting of elections. These all are completely under the Lordship control of the State Election Commission, Lordship. Now, this revision and everything can be only done with due permissions from the State Election Commission, or there is a direction from the State Election Commission, Lordship. Until unless that is done, Lordship, ERO, Lordship, he is helpless, he cannot do of his own, Lordship, under the Act, Lordship.
Yes.
So in the present case, Lordship, what happened, Lordship? Lordship will say, page, kindly come to page 2, Lordship. My Lordship instruction, page 2. In this particular Lordship constituency, revision was done, Lordship. A draft revision, draft e-roll was published, and objections, claim and objection was sought, Lordship. Lordship will find the schedule of hearing dates for each gram panchayat at serial number 2, Lordship. Serial number 2, and this is it is third port column. Port column, Lordship will find 17/8. Sekar, Chorling, Karte, Kadalisan. This we are on Sekar, Lordship. On 27 May 2025, Lordship, hearing was done, Lordship. And the present petitioner number 1, Lordship, who was GPM, Lordship.
Hearing for review or
Claim and objections. After Lordship, revision is done, Lordship. Before final publications of the A-roll is done, a draft publication is done, so that claim and objections opportunity is given to the people, voters out there, Lordship. And accordingly, after draft has been prepared and it has been published, claim and objection was sought from the Lordship voters of area, Lordship. And for this particular segment, this claim and objections hearing was done on 27/5/2025, Lordship.
yes,
And very irony is that, Lordship, the present petitioner, Lordship, petitioner number 1,
he's a member.
who is a GPM, Lordship, he was present there during the time of claim and objection, Lordship, because, Lordship, he is the one person who is the boss of that particular segment. He is the one who can, Lordship, verify or identify the genuineness of the voters, Lordship. Therefore, basically, as a matter of practice, all the GPM used to be called during the, Lordship, hearing of claim and objections, sir. And exactly in present case also, the petitioner was present, Lordship. And there was no claim and objection from his side, Lordship. And these all facts has been, Lordship, suppressed in the present writ petition, Lordship. This suppressions of material facts also, Lordship. As I pointed out, Lordship, this year, this particular segment is falls for women reservation. And these facts also has been, Lordship, suppressed in the present writ petition, Lordship. And, Lordship, there's, Lordship, some allegation, Lordship, there's a double registrations. And if Lordship turn to the page 4 of my instruction, Lordship.
Yes,
Page 4 of my instruction, Lordship. Serial number 6 to, Lordship, 16. Earlier, they were in another segment, Lordship. They were Mechuka village, Lordship. Menchuka, it's not Mechuka. Mechuka is a...
yeah, that's,
Menchuka and Mechuka is two different areas. Earlier they were in Menchuka village, and 6 to 16. They have been deleted from Menchuka and they have been enrolled in the Sekar village, Lordship, in Sekar segment, Lordship. And on the top, Lordship will see the deletion list of 2025, Lordship. So therefore, the allegations of double enrollment also is not correct, Lordship. And lastly, I'd like to submit that, Lordship. After, Lordship, the period for raising any claim and objection, Lordship, after that has been, that stipulated date is over, Lordship, there cannot be a, Lordship, second claim and objection, Lordship. That's the law, Lordship. And in the present case, Lordship, the after hearing is done, Lordship, final publication was done on 16 June 2025, Lordship. Long time back, Lordship.
16 June,
16 June 2025.
what was done?
The final e-roll was published, Lordship.
Published,
And it was published and it was communicated to the State Election Commission, Lordship. And if Lordship turn to page 25,
Final e-roll published on
16 June
16 June 25.
16 June 2025.
Okay.
This is the schedule of e-roll revision.
Okay.
Of that particular area, Lordship. Now, kindly come to page 25 of writ petition, Lordship.
Page.
Page 2525, Lordship. Annexure 2.
Yes.
Hearing, claim and objection hearing was done on 27 May 2025, Lordship.
Mm.
After hearing has been concluded, Lordship, final draft was published on 16 June 2025, Lordship. That process is over, Lordship. Now it has gone to the State Election Commission, Lordship. This claim and objection filed by the present petitioner, Lordship. This is done on, Lordship, 24/7/2025. This is the representation submitted by the complaint filed by the present petitioner, Lordship. And along with this, all the forms were submitted, Lordship. Claimant, because objection has to be filed in particular format, that is form 4, 5, and some more forms are there, Lordship.
Mm.
After that process is over, Lordship, this representation has been filed, which was received on it is dated 24/7/2025, but it was received on 28 July 2025, Lordship. After that process is over, Lordship.
This was by petitioner.
This is by petitioner, Lordship. The claim and objection by the petitioner, Lordship, in the form of representation, Lordship. Therefore, Lordship, the present read petition is not maintainable and liable to be dismissed, Lordship. That's all, Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, may I please your lordship. Lordship, the instruction given, as per their instruction, they say that the claim and objection date was given on 25th May 2025, lordship.
27.
27th May 2025, lordship.
Hmm.
Now, regarding these dates and all, lordship, and then the final notification on 16 June 2025, lordship. We have been contending that this particular notification and all, lordship, it was not made aware to us, lordship. We were completely unaware about all those notifications, lordship.
This was published, no?
It was never published, lordship. Our contention is this were never notified in the notice, lordship. We have been
But now he has
repeatedly.
sent a publication report. Just now he has sent a publication report.
Maybe they have kept it in their files, lordship, never notified to us, lordship.
Public notice.
Lordship, it may be there, lordship. Until it's notified to the public, lordship, how can we made aware of the fact, lordship? Now, lordship may kindly appreciate, lordship. Our representation was filed on 28 June 2025, lordship. That particular representation was never disposed of. Now, if the fact raised by
No. It has been disposed of. There is a public notice.
No, lordship, I'm talking about my representation, lordship, that was filed on
Representation,
28.
yes.
Lordship.
Claim and
lordship,
objection, it was.
Now, if they say.
Your representation was not disposed of.
And not disposed of, lordship.
Okay.
It was never disposed of.
All right, but this is reserved for Vivian.
Lordship, that particular part, lordship, I have missed to get the instruction, lordship. Yes, of course, I have just now I have got the instruction that it is one woman reservation, lordship. But as per my instruction, one of her relative, her daughter.
You are the DP member. You must have the instruction.
Lordship, there was a miscommunication. I completely agree, lordship. There was a miscommunication between the client and me, lordship. One of her relative is contesting, lordship, in fact.
Yes. So now this is not maintainable.
Lordship, if we see the provisions, lordship, now claim in objection,
provisions you have time, only 1 day time. Tomorrow is a working day. So
Lordship,
how far you will reach, I don't know. You have only 1 day time. Saturday, I don't know whether other offices function on Saturdays, I don't know. But you see, tomorrow is what Saturday? First, second?
Today is
Tomorrow is 4th Saturday. I don't think there will be any office work on 4th Saturday, maybe due to elections or maybe last date of nomination, so there may be some work. But you see, your petition is not maintainable. If this is reserved for women, then it's not maintainable.
Lordship, even if the first petitioner's contention goes, lordship, second petitioner's contention has to be hard, lordship.
Okay, then we'll fix a date to be heard, but there's no point, you see. You may have a case later on, but now elections will be, nominations date is over.
Lordship,
There's no
as-
extension also of date.
Lordship may kindly appreciate as per provisions, Lordship. In the last day of the hearing also, the ERO can conduct a summary inquiry and dispose of the matter, Lordship. That provision is there, Lordship. I can show the provision, Lordship.
Okay.
Summary inquiry can be conducted, Lordship.
Lordship, statement, Lordship, particular amendment has been made, Lordship. He is going to contest the election. And now he is telling that one of his relative is going to contest. This statement, post statement is suffice for this honorable court to dismiss this
Just
writ petition.
just a moment, you see, what is your prayer? What is your prayer?
This
Petitioner number 2. Who is petitioner number 2?
petition number 2 is the person against whose house number, Lordship.
Okay.
This
That is a clerical error.
No.
That is a
No,
clerical
Lordship,
error.
that cannot be a
no,
clerical
not
error,
that
Lordship.
part. The
Lordship,
statement
that
of the
cannot be a
petitioner,
clerical
Lordship.
error.
He is going
How
to
can it
contest
be?
the election, Lordship. And now he is telling that one of his relative is going to contest the election. This statement is completely, it's a false statement before this honorable court, Lordship. This itself is suffice for this honorable court to dismiss this writ petition with cause, Lordship.
Lordship may kindly come to page 60 of my petition, Lordship. Regarding the house number, Lordship.
Now I'm coming to the prayer. This complaint dated 24/7 has not been disposed of.
No, not been
No,
disposed. Because it is after, Lordship, those period is over. Claim and objections time frame was given, Lordship, and it was not lodged within that period, Lordship. Once that process is completed, Lordship, now it cannot be heard again, Lordship, unless there is a direction from the State Election Commission, Lordship. Because revision and all, Lordship, addition, deletion is done under the supervision of the State Election Commission, Lordship. And even if it's permissible also, Lordship, as I have pointed out, Lordship, Monday is the, Lordship, last date of the nomination, so, Lordship.
He's saying no, a summary process can be held.
Lordship,
The last date of filing of.
as I took, Lordship, to the provision, Lordship.
Yes, I have seen.
Without, Lordship, hearing the person who is going to be deleted, Lordship,
To be
can that process be completed within 1 day, Lordship?
not possible.
Not possible at all, Lordship. So under this circumstance, Lordship will not interfere, Lordship, the very electoral role, Lordship.
No, I won't interfere. And no, definitely I won't interfere.
Lordship may kindly see how these people, page 60, Lordship. Now they say that
Just a moment. Please, your prayer, please. First of all, your prayer.
Yes,
I'll
Lordship.
I'll not go back to see what is justified and what is not justified now at this 11th hour. Direction can be issued. That prayer can be allowed.
Yes, point.
And if it is possible, they will do it, and if not, no. If
Will
if their voters are to be heard, let them hear them.
Lordship,
As per law, I can give a direction.
if direction is given, Lordship, the authority is bound to comply with Lordship.
Yeah.
Now, what I'm submitting, as per the law, Lordship, it's not in the hand of the authority now to consider this claim and objection, Lordship. I have taken, Lordship, to the law, Lordship, and situation, Lordship. At this stage, Lordship, direction is given, Lordship. How is
Not
possible?
possible. How many respondents?
There are many,
23.
more than 20
23.
respondents are there, Lordship. Today is Friday, Lordship. Tomorrow, Saturday, then Sunday, Lordship. And Monday is the last date of nomination, Lordship. Practically, it's not possible, Lordship. Otherwise, I would not have objected for considerations of representation. Consideration of representation is, Lordship, is not that harsh to anyone, Lordship. Otherwise, if it's legally permitted, permissible, Lordship, I would not have objected, Lordship. But it's not possible, Lordship, seen, Lordship.
Yes, I've seen your prayer, which is not plausible to be allowed now. Last
Lordship-
two prayers at least, 3 and 4.
Lordship,
Let's
may
see
I-
page 60. Page 60.
Lordship, may come to page 20, rule 25 of electoral rules, Lordship.
Okay.
Preparation of electoral roll, Lordship. Rules 2002.
Mm.
Rules 25, Lordship.
He has
I
brought
was
us to these rules. Rule 25, okay.
Rule 25, Lordship. The electoral ERO shall hold a summary inquiry into every claim and objections, in respect of which notice has been given under the Rule 25 and shall record his decision thereon. At the hearing, the claimant or the case may be the objector and the person objected or any other person in the opinion of the electoral register is likely to be of assistance to him shall be entitled to appear and be heard. Lordship, summary inquiry can be done on one day itself, Your Honor, Your Lordship.
See, you do
That-
not have a case. First of all, this seat is reserved for women. And then you being a man, you do not have a case.
Lordship, the second petition.
candidate
Second
who is aggrieved.
petitioner, now their contention, Lordship, second petitioner's contention, page 60, they have, they
But the
have
woman candidate who is
appropriately inserted
aggrieved,
the
you
name.
have brought in a new plea that she is related to you. This is not in the petition. Is this in the petition?
No, no, that's not in the petition.
No. No, no.
Lordship, it may be dismissed, Lordship.
I'll dismiss it.
Lordship, I have a good case, Lordship. I can demonstrate I have a good case, Lordship.
No, no, no. At least I don't see any good case.
Lordship may kindly come to page 60, Lordship. The contention raised by the.
No, no. See, you when you do not have a case, why you are insisting on it? I don't see any case. Page 60.
Page 60, Lordship.
Page 20, rule 20, just a moment, rule 25 of the rules. Huh?
Rule 25 of the preparation of electoral roll rules 2022 talks about the summary inquiry, Lordship. Summary
Hmm.
inquiry can be
Summary
conducted
inquiry,
and
yes.
accordingly,
Yes.
matter can be disposed, Lordship. Now here I am seeking for deletion
No,
of.
no, no. You see, when the seat is reserved for women, and when this women, the woman candidate who is not a party, you do not have a case.
Lordship, here.
But let's what page 60.
Lordship,
No.
issue has to be
No, no.
appreciated, Lordship. The issue here
No,
is.
cannot. No,
Lordship,
it's
the issue here is, Lordship, may kindly appreciate. Issue here is.
it cannot be appreciated. On the other hand,
Lordship, the issue here is, Lordship, may kindly appreciate for
on
a
the
minute.
contrary, actually, I think it has to be condemned, I think, not appreciated.
Lordship, here, the issue here is regarding addition of bogus voters, Lordship. That has to be deleted
So what
from.
were you doing? Sleeping over your rights
No,
for
Lordship, not
such a
at all,
long
Lordship.
time?
I have submitted representation on time, Lordship. They have not disposed my representation, Lordship. Till date, they have not disposed of. Now their contention is, Lordship, they have notified the date on 16 June 2025, Lordship. 16 June 2025. My representation was submitted on 27 July 2025, Lordship. Till date, why they have not disposed of my representation, Lordship? If that was being the case, that they have already notified the claim and objection date.
Did you
why did not they dispose of my
inquire why they have
representation
not
contending?
disposed of till 19 November? Till the filing of this case, till 19 November, did you inquire? From 16 June to 19 November,
Lordship,
why they didn't dispose it of?
repeatedly, I have been approaching the office to redress my grievances, Lordship. They have keep on promising me, Lordship,
So
that there will be an inquiry.
you were aware, no? When you filed this petition, writ petition on 19 November, you were aware that we have only 6 days, not 6 days, 5 days in hand. Only 5 days in hand.
Lordship, so far publications of final e-roll, Lordship. It's not about this particular segment, Lordship. It's of the entire state, Lordship. State Election Commission has given directions to all the lordship deputy commissioner that revision must be completed within this period, and final publication has to be given in the on 16 June, lordship. And it has been done, lordship. And the people of the state knows, lordship. This is a widely circulated, lordship. It's a notification from the state government, lordship. The State Election Commission, lordship.
He's saying he didn't.
It's very unfortunate, lordship, the statement coming from the petitioner, lordship.
Lordship, yesterday also I was making a
Otherwise,
submission.
lordship is leniently handling the case, lordship. Otherwise, this is speed case for dismissal with cost, lordship. And he is coming with the false statement, lordship.
So, Rule 25, yes, I have seen Rule 25. And anything else?
Lordship, how this bogus entry has been made in the voter electoral roll, Lordship, I can maybe allowed to demonstrate, Lordship. Now my contention is, Lordship, page 60, Lordship.
No. See. I'm asking you if you have to substantiate anything else, not the entries in the voters list, because I'm not going to deal with it. I'm out to dismiss it.
Lordship, otherwise let them file their affidavit, Lordship. We'll file our reply to it, Lordship, accordingly, Lordship.
I'm not staying anything, but I'm not staying.
Or otherwise, Lordship, may kindly direct to dispose of my representation, Lordship. That is pending before the.
That is what he's against. That is what he is against.
At least my representation, Lordship. We'll see to it, Lordship, in the later stage what can be done, Lordship. At least my first prayer can be considered, Lordship.
Okay.
And
All
rule
right.
regarding the Rule 25, lordship. Rule 25, it's provisions for lordship hearing the claim and objections, and that period is already over, lordship. This provision is for that period, lordship. As to lordship to there's a particular period, lordship.
No objection.
After draft e-roll is published, lordship, then particular period is given for claim and objection, lordship. And after claim and objection is filed, lordship, hearing is done. In present case, lordship, it was heard on 27 May 2025, lordship. And this particular provision is for that particular hearing of the claim and objection, lordship. Not subsequent to, lordship, that period is.
Yes, please help me out. Huh?
Lordship.
So I'm dictating the order. Let's see. I cannot guarantee, but let's see what I can unearth from your petition and what relief I can consider, despite the petition being time barred. Heard Learned Counsel Mr. J. Ginny for the petitioner. For the petitioner, so and so, both the petitioners who have who are aggrieved by the inclusion of the names of the respondents
Private respondents.
for the private respondents number 5 to
27, Lordship.
5 to 27. It is submitted that the petitioners do not belong to the area comma, under Sikar village, part number 17/8/1, full stop. With Malaf ID, their names were included. To facilitate victory of a candidate of interest, full stop. These private respondents are bogus voters. And there is also allegation of double inclusion of their names in the electoral roll, full stop. The last date of filing of nomination papers is 24/11/2025. Full stop. Their names were simultaneously also registered under Menchuka, MENCHUK.
Yes. MEN.
But here it is written Menchuka.
No. Here
MENCHUKHA.
here is Menchuka only. MECN.
MENCHUKHA, Menchuka, village part 17/4/2, 17/4/2. Full stop. This registration violates section 109 of the Arunachal Pradesh Panchayati Raj Act 1997, within bracket the Panchayati Raj Act 1997 for short bracket close, which strictly prohibits enrollment in more than one constituency. Heard Mr. S. Tapin, learned senior government advocate for the respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Lost.
Full stop. Instructions have also been obtained.
I'm sorry, Lost. I'm for respondent number 1, 3, and 4.
1, 3, and 4, not 2.
Not 2.
Respondent number 1, 3, and 4. Full stop. Instructions have already been obtained. And it is submitted that who are the respondents under house number 18A?
Petition number sorry. House number 1, who is the owner? Lordship, that part is not
House
here.
number 18A, you have said no?
Yes, yes.
Typographical error.
Yes, Lordship.
Whose house?
That name is not furnished here, Lordship.
Okay.
But this is house number 18A.
Okay.
Lordship, how that is possible, Lordship? How house can be house number 18A, Lordship? That is impossible, Lordship.
I don't know.
How
I don't know about Arunachal Pradesh.
There has to be a
geography.
particular number of a house, not by A, B, Lordship.
How is not that possible? That's possible also.
That possibility I will have to explore. I do not know.
Lordship, in the entire electoral roll, there is no house number H, A, B, and C, Lordship.
Let's drop this.
Particular house number,
Let's
Lordship.
drop this submission on typographical error. Or you want it?
Lordship, this is my Lordship instruction that
It is submitted that there has been a typographical error relating to house number PE 18.
18
House number 18.
18A.
House number 18A, which was typed as house number 18.
18 Lordship. 18 also is there, Lordship. 18 is also there. The petitioner number 2 is the owner of the house number 18, Lordship. And what he stated is, Lordship, these few voters, Lordship, have been enrolled against his house, whereas they are stranger to the house number 18, Lordship. Now, instruction has come, Lordship. Actually, they have been enrolled against the house number 18A, not 18.
Okay, it is submitted that the learned government advocate has, senior government advocate has received instructions that, as alleged, the petitioner's house number is 18, and the respondent and the presence of 23 bogus voters are related to house number 18A instead of house number 18. Okay?
No.
23 bogus vote.
No, not 23 lordship. It is in respect of respondent number 27, 31, 32, 43 to
Ah.
62 lordship.
Total, in total,
Total. 23 hai.
Sure.
20, yes, 20.
Total
3 is
20.
20.
20.
Hmm.
Instead of
3 is
20,
different.
23, right? 20. Full stop.
Lordship, there is no house 18A, Lordship, in that particular village, Lordship. Then
Or,
how?
okay, okay. Which is contrary
may
to
be
the
recorded.
submission of the learned counsel for the petitioner that there is no house numbered as house number 18A in the locality. All right,
Lord.
it is recorded.
Yes, Lordship.
Further, it is contended by the, on behalf of the respondent number 1, 3, and 4, that lottery was already drawn on 27/10/2025, and this and according to the instructions submitted today, it is clear that this constituency, it will be Gram Panchayat constituency.
Constituency only.
This constituency is
segment,
reserved. Segment.
Segment.
Yeah, it will be segment, no? And this Gram Panchayat segment is reserved for women. And thus this petition is not maintainable and has to be dismissed with exemplary cause. Full stop. It is further contended that the petitioner, being a member of the Gram Panchayat, was also present during the draw and were in after the lottery results, this segment was fixed and reserved for women candidates. Full stop. Further, the learned counsel further, on behalf of the respondents, this court is taken through the procedure of section 114 of the Panchayati Raj Act, which reads, you'll get the book, huh? I'll send a book. I'm marking it with pencil here. This tag also. Pink tag. Next paragraph. It is thus submitted that at this juncture, as the entire procedure is a complex procedure, the last date of nomination being 24/11/2025, comma, there is no scope to delete the names of the private respondents as prayed for without hearing the private respondents, so stating it is submitted on behalf of the respondents that the proviso to 113 of the Act 1965.
No, this is Act of 97 also.
1997 also.
1997
1997.
reads. So you'll go to that same pink tag, and this proviso is marked with pink pencil. The earlier one, 114, is marked with lead pencil. So you type down the proviso. Same page 32. It is next prayer. Thus, it is not plausible that all the respondents named in the writ petition will be will get the opportunity of being heard. Will get the opportunity of being heard before their names are deleted from the electoral roll. Full stop. Rule 29 at which page of this book?
Lordship, before coming to the Lordship also may appreciate the section 114 Lordship, 114.
I have noted down the entire section.
114.
Entire section.
Where it says Lordship,
All.
because
She'll record it.
okay.
Dictate it.
Because after nomination Lordship, there cannot be any deletion and addition in the e-roll Lordship.
Yes,
One.
entire section.
This Rule 29 is 8 page Lordship, 62 Lordship,
Page 62, no?
62 Lordship.
It is further submitted that after nomination, after the last date of nomination, comma, there cannot be deletion or addition in the electoral rolls. Is it?
No, that is Lordship,
In that last part, no?
Lordship. 14.3 Lordship.
Hmm.
Because last date is on Monday, 24 Lordship. So it's practically it's not possible. Lordship.
Mhm.
And we cannot,
And thus this is not physically and practically feasible. That within one working day, the entire procedure would be covered. Full stop. So you wanted proviso to section 113, no?
113, yes,
Reasonable.
that also Lordship.
Huh?
Because this entire process
The
has to be
proviso to section 113.
13 also.
Have included.
13 also. Because
Only proviso have included.
because
You want a section 113, entire section 113.
no, only
Proviso.
proviso.
Lordship, 113 and 114 subclause 3 goes in my favor, Lordship, in fact.
Yes, very good.
Yes, Lordship, in the second line, Lordship, or on
Hmm.
his own motion, Lordship. On its own motion also, ERO, if he's satisfied, after a summary inquiry, if he's
Hmm.
satisfied,
You hear, let the ERO hear all the 23, all the 23 respondents.
now, Lordship, I can demonstrate from my petition also how illegally their name has been included in the electoral roll, Lordship.
That will have to come after this exercise, I think. Don't think you'll be able to demonstrate today itself. Then it will be, then you won't get the interim benefit. If you want to demonstrate, I'll hear you and then I'll dispose it off. But you won't get the interim benefit. If you insist on demonstrating, then you can demonstrate.
Lordship, can go ahead, Lordship.
It is further submitted that as per proviso to Rule 29 of the 27, no? Rule 27 of the Arunachal Pradesh Panchayats within bracket preparation of electoral rolls bracket close rules after bracket close rules comma 2002 within bracket the rule again within bracket the rules of 2002 for short bracket close. You go to page 62 and it is tick marked proviso. Page 62 of this book, I'll give you the book. Only the proviso you type. Only in page 62, one paragraph. I find force in the argument of on behalf of the respondent number 1, 3, and 4 as at this 11th hour, ELV and TS 11th hour, it is not possible to hear all the 23 private respondents before deleting the name from the Sekhar sector, no?
Yes.
Sekar
village.
From the Sekhar,
SEKAR.
SEKAR, Sekhar region. From the Sekhar region.
Sekar village, lo.
Sekhar village, full stop. It is also submitted that
The Sekar,
the instructions also reveal, yes, Sekhar region, yes.
this Sekar village, lo.
Sekhar
Sekar village, lo.
village.
It comes under part number 17 of /8/1, lo.
Yes, 17 oblique,
8/1.
part number 17/8/1.
This is a code number for this particular segment.
Sorry?
This is the code number for this particular
Oh, yes,
segment.
yes, code of the village, okay. It is also submitted that the instructions at page 2 clearly reveals that page 2, their names are not in Mechukha.
No, sir.
Where
Page 2, lo, sir.
page 4. Page 4.
Page 4, lo, sir.
That the respondents Yeshi Naksang, Pem Lara Naksang, Pemba, they are all respondents.
All respondents.
Pemba Naksang, Yang Jom Kigar, Thupten Naksang, you know the spellings, no? You'll get in the book. in the read petition. Thupten Naksang, Sarab Dorji Naksang, Kurba Drema Naksang, Norbu Naksang, Pemba Naksang, Lagburi Naksang, and Nima Lamu Naksang. It will be 10, 10 people. The names of all these people have been deleted from the Mechuka village segment. From segment 2 of Mechuka village. Segment -2 of Mechuka village, full stop. The learned counsel for a petitioner has submitted that about the women constituency, what do you have to say?
Lordship, my daughter-in-law is contesting, in fact, Lordship. There was a miscommunication, Lordship.
Has
I have
submitted
the
that although this constituency is reserved for women, his daughter-in-law is contesting from this constituency. Full stop. This argument, next paragraph, of the learned counsel for the petitioner holds no water, as there is no averment in the petition that the petitioner number 1 is aggrieved by the bogus enrollment of certain voters, as his daughter-in-law is contesting. Full stop. On the contrary, the petitioner has claimed that he would be contesting the panchayat elections. Full stop. I've also considered the submission that hearing for claim and objection after revision revision of the voters was sought from all the voters of the area on 27/5/2025.
Correct.
And the petitioner's presence cannot be doubted, as he is a Gram Panchayat member, and the petitioner's presence in those hearings cannot be doubted, as he is a Gram Panchayat member. Full stop. It is further submitted that the petitioner has suppressed that not required. Considering the complex nature of deletion of voters from the area of Sekar, village Sekar, then just a moment. Considering the contention of presence of bogus voters in Sekar village area, part 17/8/1 for rigging of votes with contemplating rigging of votes an order can be passed to at least consider the representation which has, as allegedly, has not been taken up by the Deputy Commissioner. Representation to?
ERO Lordship.
Has not been taken up
Electoral
by-
registration.
Representation dated 27/5,
27 July, Lordship.
27/7.
This is 24 July.
24 July.
July,
July
Lordship.
2025 has not yet been taken up by the electoral registration officer.
Lordship, two representation, in fact, Lordship, by the petitioner number 1 and 2, Lordship. Same date, page number 25.
Representations of the
Lordship.
petitioner number 1 and 2 dated has not been taken up by the electoral registration officer, comma, an order may be passed directing the electoral registration officer to at least dispose of the representation submitted by the petitioners. The
With the
representation is
speaking-
to additional deputy commissioner. Is the ERO?
It is ERO, he is the ERO.
ERO
the-
come additional deputy commissioner, full stop. So this is the order only I can pass. Shall I
Lordship-
dispose of the petition? Or
Lordship can
should I
dispose
fix a date? Huh? I'll dispose it off.
dispose it off with the directions. Think that Lordship to pass the order.
I'll,
Speaking
yes,
order,
yes, to at least take up a representation.
Yes.
Lordship,
But
within
I'll
one-
not, what is this, postpone the nomination date or anything like that.
Okay, Lordship,
No
we'll
direction
raise
for
our own,
postponing.
Lordship, we'll raise our own objection before the authorities concerned, Lordship. That we can do. Lordship, with the speaking
Lordship-
order within 1 week, Lordship.
Lordship,
No.
the considerations of
days?
representation.
No
Lordship,
no
within
time
50
frame.
days. Lordship, again, they will keep on pending this. That represented, they kept pending for 5 months, Lordship. Time frame may be
Lordship-
given within
Lordship,
10 days or 20
law
days.
says, Lordship, after last date of nomination, Lordship,
Hmm.
there cannot be deletion or addition, Lordship.
No, they will
Lordship-
consider the representation
No,
as
consider,
per law, in accordance with law.
Yeah.
In accordance with law.
Lordship, addition, deletion, last date is.
What are you,
for filing
what
for
are you
nomination.
apprehending? What kind of apprehension?
no, Lordship, what law says, Lordship?
Yeah.
Law is above the representation, Lordship. Apparently, Lordship, when we see that, Lordship, this representation cannot be considered in favor of the petitioner as per the law, as I have taken Lordship to.
Hmm.
Then, Lord, this Honour Court will not direct for that, Lordship.
Only to
Lordship-
consider the representation.
Therefore, Lordship, consider means either it may be
No, they will reject it. They can
Let
reject
them
it.
reject it, Lordship. Let them reject it, Lordship.
what I'm submitting is apparently, Lordship, when it's not practically permissible, Lordship, on the page it's not permissible, Lordship. Lordship will not exercise the future, Lordship. Lordship.
I will not go to this 25 rule because this 25 rule is not covered by your prayer. Summary procedure, it's not covered by your prayer. What he is saying, this 25 is related to which section?
That is for the claim and objection that period, Lordship.
Claim and objection period. So I am not taking that 25.
And this is not, Lordship, even the petitioner has no locus. Lordship has already made an observation that, Lordship, the person who is likely to be aggrieved, his relative, he is not before this Honour Court, Lordship. What is the locus? What is the right of the petitioner to approach this Honour Court, Lordship?
So I won't dispose it then.
Dismiss it, maybe dismiss
Dismiss it.
Lordship. He has no locus at all, Lordship. How petitioner is aggrieved? Lordship,
Let us read the representation. Let us read the representations. If he has no locus, I'll dismiss it. Just we'll read the representations.
the petitioner
No.
submission, Lordship has asked,
Lordship,
Lordship.
Lordship, may kindly.
Who is before this Honour Court, Lordship? Who is before this Honour Court, Lordship? The petitioner number 1 and 2, Lordship.
It's not maintainable.
The petitioner number 1 says he is going to contest the election in against this particular segment, Lordship. And Lordship has seen, Lordship, this segment is meant for the Lordship women reservation this time, Lordship.
That is why it is not maintainable. That is what I've been saying.
No, no, Lordship.
So let us
Other-
read the representations.
Lordship, otherwise also, Lordship.
No,
Who ca-
no,
Lordship,
not
may
your
kindly see
daughter-in-law,
this,
not your
Lordship.
daughter-in-law. Not your
Lordship-
daughter-in-law. Let
Lordship, may
me,
kindly
please,
see,
please
Lordship.
read the representation.
Lordship,
Please read
Lordship,
the
may-
representation.
Lordship may kindly indulge
No, no,
for
you
1
read the
minute, Lordship.
representation. Huh? Yes. What do you want to say?
Lordship, here, Lordship, the
Yes.
issue is regarding inclusion of bogus voters, Lordship. Now, if bogus voters are included, who are aggrieved, Lordship? Those people who are resident of that particular area where that in which electoral roll that those bogus voters has been enrolled,
See,
those
now you are
person
telling me,
voters
I
are
will tell
aggrieved,
you,
Lordship.
I will tell you. See, now, as you're telling me, now I'll tell you. See, once, now we don't have time. Not at all, no time. We have only 1 day. So you see, only 1 working day and that too, it will be over. Now you see, when you are aggrieved by the voters, bogus voters, and if the election, your daughter-in-law does not win the election, God forbid, you have recourse You can apply before the district judge. Here, I believe it is additional district commissioner. You can apply before the district judge
Correct, Lordship. So why,
relating
Lordship,
to relating to the anomalies in the election.
Lordship, so why these representations also can be disposed of, Lordship? Let them dispose it of, Lordship. That at least that direction, Lordship,
Maybe.
Lordship, the inherent power, Lordship. That direction at least can be
It's
given.
pending, no? It's pending.
It's pending,
Pending,
of course,
Lordship,
Lordship.
for the
Pending.
last
But
5 months.
who are before this
Who has
Honorable
stopped them
Lordship?
from disposing
How-
of this matter, Lordship?
How the petitions are aggrieved? When any legal rights or fundamental rights not violated, Lordship.
Regarding the
not
maintenance
direction.
of the-
The pending representations may be disposed of by,
Lordship.
This court is constrained to pass, this court deems it appropriate to pass an order that the pending representations dated so and so submitted by, petitioner number 1 and 2 may be taken up and disposed of by the, may be
Lordship.
taken up and disposed of by the ERO come additional DC.
Lordship.
Okay, I'll dispose it
Lordship, at
in
least
terms of,
within a
may
time
be
frame,
disposed of.
again, they will keep on pending,
Uh,
keeping pending,
Within
Lordship.
how many? 3 months from today? 2 months? 2 weeks? How many?
2
1
weeks,
month?
Lordship, at least,
Within-
15 days.
Within 2 weeks?
Now, Lordship, the election process is on, or Lordship.
20 days, Lordship.
That-
20 days.
All the district
Within
administration
1 month? Within 1 month,
1
maybe
month,
disposed
Lordship.
of
All
in
right.
1 month
All-
from
all
today.
month.
from the date of receiving the order, Lordship.
Within 1 month from the date of receiving a copy of this order. In terms of the above observation, this petition stands disposed of.
Obliged, Lordship, obliged.
I know.
Actually, this is, he is collecting a tool for future, maybe for future litigation.
Lost.
Is collecting tools, I think, for future litigation. This order be.
No, Lordship, I was aggrieved, so why I
It's
have.
okay. It's okay.
Lordship.
You'll have to help your client.
Lordship,
So.
highly.
Yes. It may not be required. Who is given, I don't know. This book.
Item number 2.
May Lordship, I have come before this honorable court with limited issues, Lordship.
Yes, yes.
I am a Lordship work education TTI instructor, Lordship. It is contractual, Lordship. But the matter is that I was arrested in connection with some cases. In the meantime, I have been terminated by the authority without any notice. That is the only sole issue. And that is the only one issue in the case. So without issue, this my condition of service is page number 14, annexure 1. My appointment order. In my appointment order, this there is no mention that if there is a arrest, I can be terminated because I was innocent. I have been wrongly implicated in the case. So I was arrested and I have been terminated. It is the issue.
Now you
So
are
I
terminated.
should,
You are already
yes,
terminated.
I have been terminated.
This is motion, no?
It is motion. It's at this
Let us issue notice.
notice maybe.
Only.
Learned Counsel Mr. T. Tapak is present for the petitioners, learned government advocate Ms. Pasar, no? R. Pasar is present for respondent number 4. And learned standing counsel education, Mr. T. Tagum is present for respondent number.
1, 2, Madam 3.
Issue notices with extra copies. Any more respondent?
Madam, only one, Madam, clarification, Madam. The respond number 2, Madam. It is not the director elementary education. Rather, it should be the state project director ISSE. Instead of this, the required correction by the petitioner, Madam.
Can I correct it by this record by hand by hand.
It's related to state project director, not director elementary education.
By hand, I think there's a notification, no?
Yes, I think.
For IA?
Yes. No,
don't know.
no, just exactly not IA. This can I sell this particular page? I may be
Make
allowed.
correction.
No, no, then you'll have to file an IA.
IA.
If you want to
Make
change the
necessary-
page, you'll have to file. an-
Yes.
Necessary correct.
That notification is there. Okay. Issue notices nalage. The Learned Council for the petitioner may is allowed to file an IA for amendment of the cost title. Okay.
Yes.
List after 2 weeks.
4 weeks, madam.
After 4 weeks.
List after 4 weeks. Okay.
Item number 3.
Nobody?
Yes.
Hmm.
May I please, Your Lordship, on behalf of the petitioner sides, to file this writ petition.
Hmm.
May highlighting some points subsequently, my lord, regarding the clarity of this case. First of all, my lord, may I see annexure 1?
This petition is for?
For impugn. Yes, my lord. For impugn. NIT Arunachal Pradesh for already recruited for 48 posts of the non-domicile and the native of the Arunachal Pradesh out of the 53 posts in 2013, along with the interim.
Just let me read it.
Yes,
Let me
ma'am.
read the synopsis.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, what do you want?
Yes, my lord. First of all, I just highlighted some points where this WPC is important
You
for us.
you want an interim order?
Yes, my lord.
What kind of interim order?
Regarding the presence notification, which regarding the post of page number, my lord, may I look?
Page number?
Page number 82, annexure 8. This is the recent advertisement regarding the 8 to 2025. The some post,
This advertisement, when is the last date?
the last date already completed, last date already.
You won't get interim order if last date is completed.
At least we need notice to the other party to come here.
Let us
and-
issue notice.
Yes, Your Honor.
Learned Counsel Mr. J. Jonglu,
M. Bakra.
Huh?
M. Bakra.
M. Bakra.
M. Bakra.
Okay, you are present for somebody?
Your Honor, in this case, yes, leading counsel is the Jyoti Jungluju.
Is present on behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr.
M. Bakra.
No, that
Jyoti Jungluju. Miss Jyoti Jungluju.
Miss J. Jongluju,
Yes.
post of Learned Learned DSGI. DSGI. Mr. M.
For the respondent number 1 only.
Learned DSGI, Mr. M. Kadri is present for respondent number 1. Issue notices, issue notices with extra copies. List the matter after 4 weeks.
If because one is already there, 2 is nearby the Itanagar. So if possible, 2 weeks after.
Okay,
After 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks.
Item number 4.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I have come with a prayer, Your Lordship, for directing upon the respondent authority, Your Lordship, particularly the Deputy Commissioner in Kyong, Upper Siang, to conduct resurvey and reassessment of irrigation canal of my land located at Miging Village, Your Lordship.
Do you want any interim order?
No, Your Lordship.
Or then we'll issue notice. Okay. Learned Counsel Miss
A Talom.
A. Talong is present. Tabang, no? A. Tabang.
Talom.
Talong.
Yes,
A.
Your
Talong
Lordship.
is present on behalf of Learned Counsel Mr.
A Tatak.
Okay. Oh, yes, yes, I got it. Your name is not in the first list. Okay, okay, yes, yes. Nalai. Learned Counsel Miss A. Talong is present for the petitioners. And Learned Government Advocate Mr. Y. Ridang, no,
Yes, Your Lordship.
is present for the respondent number
125.
1 to 5. There are other respondents.
Yes, two private
Notices to
respondents.
be issued returnable within 4 weeks. Extra copies. List the matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
Yes.
Obliged.
Much obliged.
Item number 5.
My lord, Dear my lord, I'm aggrieved by the allotment order given to the Kaing police station, my lord, which originally belongs to me, that entire area, the area measuring about 10,640 square meter, my lord, that originally belongs to me, my lord. That has been given illegally that's been allotted to the, for establishment of Kaing police station without acquiring the law, without acquiring the land, my lord, by following due process of law. My lord, only after filing RTI, we come to know that this has been given allotment to the, for establishment of Kaing police station, my lord, Siang district. And thereafter, my lord, in fact, this dispute, my lord, there was in the year 2004 also, the police authority, they tried to construct their, the structure. In this regard, we made a complaint. My father has made a complaint to the deputy commissioner, and deputy commissioner, before the bifurcation, my lord, this Siang district has been was bifurcated thereafter, my lord. In 2014, 4 also, we made a complaint to the authority, deputy commissioner Siang district, and deputy commissioner Siang district passed the status quo order that let there be no construction activity be carried out by the police department because land was not acquired, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, we filed out of the 10,000, my lord, around 8,000 is in their possession of the police department. That is Kaing police
already in
station.
possession.
Yes, and out of the 10,000, 2,100 in my possession, my lord. Even they started encroaching my land, which is in my possession, my lord. Then we made a complaint in 2025 also, my lord. Thereafter, we filed a RTI as to how they have taken possession of the land, how they are doing like this, in order to whether they have any supporting document or not. To ascertain this matter, we filed the RTI before the police authority, and they have furnished the document, my lord, allotment order, saying in the year 1987 it was allotted to them by the Siang Deputy Commissioner Siang District, my lord. My lord, allotment, total allotted area is around 8,000, my lord. Now, admittedly in their RTI, my lord, at page 43, my lord, at allotment order is 41, my lord. The police building around 1,000 and police colony around 7,000, my lord, square meter. It comes to 8,000, my lord. And at page 43, my lord, despite this allotment order, although allotment order shows that 8,548, but in their, they're in possession of, even exist possession what they have been allotted. Their total possession of 11,000, my lord.
You want expertise stay?
Yes, as per RTI, my lord. They have, the police authority, they furnished the RTI, the sketch map showing their total
Only,
possession.
only that,
In-
2000 meter, over the 2000 meter of
No,
land.
not on my lord. The
Oh.
total, my lord, actual illegal allotment is 8,548. And total my area is, which originally belongs to me, is 10,000, my lord. Out of that 10,000,
I understand, you want interim stay over there.
no, my lord, I'm not praying for the stay on at this time, my lord. Notice may be issued at this time, my lord.
Leonard, you are for today private party,
Yes, my lord.
others you are always for education department.
My lord.
Learned Counsel Mr. T. Tagum is present for the petitioner, and learned government advocate Ms. R. Basak is
Okay.
present for respond number 1,
1 to 4.
1 to 4. Any more respondents?
My lord, only that. 1 to 4.
1 to 4. Notices to be issued with extra copies. Please this matter after 4 weeks.
Leave.
Item-
আৰু চাৰিটা আছে শেষ কৰি যাম।
Item number 7.
Yes.
My lord, the order is here, so it require, my lord, rule may be issued, my lord, for final hearing.
Everything is here.
Yes, sir.
You have filed affidavit.
Yes, sir.
Will issue rule.
Yes. These are
And maybe,
Pleadings are completed.
Pleadings are completed.
Completed.
Objection has been filed.
yes,
Okay. Then we'll issue notice and rule.
yes, my lord. But probably on 2nd November, my lord.
Okay. Second number. Learned Counsel Mr. T. Son
Yes, ma'am.
is present for the petitioners. Learned Government Advocate Ms. R. Basar is present for respondent number
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7,
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7,
11.
and 11. Learned
Standing counsel.
Education
My
Mr.
lord, health department, my lord. It's a health department.
Huh?
Health department, health and family welfare, my lord.
Department is present for respondent number
5, 9, and 10.
5,
Five.
9, and 10. And learned DSGI Mr. M. Kato is present for respondent number
8, my lord.
8. We have filed WS objection and everything.
Yes.
My lord, subject matter pertains to, my lord, pay parity, my lord.
Issue rule. Issue rule, where is the prayer? Only one line?
No.
Short, what is your
Yeah.
prayer? Issue rule, why?
My lord,
Where's the
this
fixed
can be fixed for admission hearing. my lord.
Admission hearing.
Admission.
Okay.
Let it be fixed for admission hearing.
Admission hearing.
Yes.
Okay.
And after admission hearing, if there's any, we can fix for regular hearing, my lord. Let it be fixed for admission hearing on
Okay. Please complete list this matter for admission.
my lord.
Probably it may be fixed on 2nd November. 2nd,
no.
Is-
2nd December.
2nd November.
2nd December.
Oh, sorry,
December.
2nd December, yes.
obliged.
Item number 11.
9, 10?
Actually, by mistake, you have taken along the 5.
Okay. 11, I think my judgment is ready only. Yeah.
11 lawship,
Oh, 12.
that's 12 lawship. In 11 lawship, I have filed on interlocutory application for modifications of interim order passed by the Sonor Court lawship.
Modification or to set aside?
No, modifications, the vacations of the interim order lawship. Dated
Vacation of the interim order.
lawship. Dated
Ah.
3/9/2025 lawship.
Okay, then issue notice.
Lawship, this main case is fixed on 24 lawship.
Okay.
So I think from petition side, one. No? No, किसके चैम्बर में? बताओ, आओ ना.
You can take your senior.
Yes, your lordship. My senior just
Okay, we will just record the presence. Both the parties are represented. I to likhiba, huh? Both the parties are represented. An application I has been filed by the respondent. Issue notice returnable within 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
No, lost on 24 lawship.
Returnable on 24th, 11.
Lawship. And
Issue notice, fix this matter for fix. List this matter on 24/11 along with WPC number.
WPC number 425 of
This is
2025.
fixed on 24/11.
Lordship. And
425.
Lordship may for disposal of this lordship. In the meantime, they can file objection.
You want me to record that?
Lordship.
Okay.
Urgency is there, Lordship.
He is trying to avoid, I don't know why he's not taking the notice. He may take instructions from the senior. What to do?
Lordship,
How can I fix a notice for here, fix a date for hearing? You insist on that day.
Lordship.
He's not taking the notice, no?
They can file objection. if-
Okay, you're there. You're there.
No, no, he is not there.
I'm suggesting my.
Okay, you're suggesting. Okay.
Only in this sense.
So he's not taking the notice. Okay.
If so advised, Malat, they can file it.
They have to, I don't know, he's maybe, he hasn't got instruction from the senior maybe.
बाहर गया सर emergency.
Then it may be taken up after next matter also.
Okay, well, you want me to record?
Also.
And considering the urgency of the matter, this matter will be taken up for hearing, Likhidiba.
Yes.
For a final disposal.
Also.
May be taken up for final disposal.
Yes.
All right.
All right.
Item number 9 and 10.
And Malat, item number 9 and 10, nobody has filed their affidavit.
Okay.
Reply.
Ma'am.
Malat, in item number 9, but somehow it so happens that on respondent number 4 and 5, the registered steps has not been taken, but we had attempted to take that, but I don't know what happened. Another opportunity may be given to
4 and 5.
4 and 5. As far as Malat, there was on the last
Only 4
occasion,
and 5.
yes, in SPC. On the last occasion, Malat, there was a direction for me to serve the copy on the dusty service. I have taken that steps. Malat, that this can be recorded. But the registered post, I will send again.
Okay. Correspondent number 4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Item number?
9.
Item number 9 not legal. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. T. Patin is present and has submitted that steps have been taken to issue notice to respondent number 5 through dusty service. And steps will be taken to issue notice to respondent number 4 and 5 through registered post. You want your presence to be recorded?
No, madam.
Okay. Respondent number 1 and 2. 1 and 2?
No, madam. Respondent number,
No,
I'm not the notice on NHPC.
No, it's okay. Okay. Respondent number 1,
I am for 1, 2, and 3, Your Lordship.
1, 2, and 3.
Yes.
Learned senior government advocate,
No,
Mr.
Your Lordship.
Huh?
Junior government.
Learned junior government advocate, Mr. Y. Riram is present for respondent number 2 and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. List this matter after 4 weeks. Your presence is not required to be recorded. Okay. Number 10 also same?
No, madam, in item number 10, madam, we have already
Item
filed
number
our
10.
wakalat number, madam.
Huh?
We have already filed our
Okay.
wakalat.
Parties are represented.
Parties.
Yes.
Okay, parties are present. List this matter along with this,
Yes,
with 9.
with 9.
Along with WPC number 44 of 2025. I have given 4 weeks time, no?
Yes, 4 weeks.
Obligation.
Item number 12.
My judgment is ready. I have already typed, but I have not corrected.
Malat.
But I don't want to give back wages. I am allowing the petition 91 days. He's saying 92 days. I am saying 91 days. I don't want to allow that back wages.
Ma'am.
Only set aside.
Yes.
Huh?
Fair enough.
A department will deal with whatever
Yes.
issue they
As per rules, whatever.
as far as department will,
Madam.
I have set aside. Only that impugned extension order has been set aside. And then this is a criminal cases. DPCs are a little bit lengthy in criminal cases. So whatever they revoke the suspension or whatever they do, that DPC, that is up to them, department. I'm not giving back wages. Then after setting aside, they can give the current wages.
Automatically rules. Lordship.
Yes, rules will follow automatically.
Malat, one thing, Malat,
No, this.
Original
he-
impugn order has to be, my lord, interpere, my lord.
I have set aside.
Yes,
Both the
my
orders.
lord. Yes,
I have set aside.
fair enough.
Only back wages I'm not
Basic
allowing.
wages,
Because
that part will be governed by
you
the,
have a prayer for back wages.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
what I wanted to confirm
lord.
with you. So it will take me some 1 hour to correct.
my lord.
Okay. He said 92 days, but I found 91 days. Only by 1 day you couldn't hold him.
Lift up.
Help it.
Losipa, just I looked at appraised this on court. There's one 4 appeal lawsuit, which was hard last week lawsuit by division bench lawsuit. There what happened lawsuit? So per initial suspension order is concerned lawsuit. Because power has been given to the authority under Rule 10 lawsuit. Under these circumstances lawsuit, suspension order can be issued lawsuit. That is at the discretion of the authority lawsuit. But further continuations lawsuit, further extension has to be done as per the law. If that's not done as per the law, then only
Only extension.
that extension has to be interfere
Yes.
and direction has to be given to the reinstate the
Yes.
petitioner lawsuit.
Only the extension order is
Loss.
not the suspension order.
Loss.
Suspension order, my lord, it has to be, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, the extension is some,
I am setting aside only
Yes.
the extension order. Only the extension
no, my
order.
lord, which our basic challenge is original, my lord,
Original cannot be
No,
challenged.
not original. Only the extension
cannot be
order I am
challenged.
setting aside.
my lord, subsequent, my lord, subsequent extension is during the, as I have already pointed out at the course, during time of hearing, my lord. The subsequent extension is after this writ petition, my lord. And we are not agree with, my lord.
That is why I am setting aside the extension order. Because that they have exhausted 90 after
Well,
91
After
days.
19.
If my lord, peruse the, my
How
lord,
the petitioner will be affected lawsuit?
No. You see, I've already prepared the order and I'm delivering the judgment. I have only to correct.
in that case, my lord, also, that means, my lord, I will be not reinstated, my lord, again. My basic,
That they will decide.
No. Lawsuit may direct to reinstate him lawsuit. No,
yes,
no
yes,
issue
my lord,
lawsuit.
that is the, my lord,
But
very-
extension has to be interfered. If extension is not there, automatically
my
you will
lord,
be
give a
reinstated
direction,
only
my
lawsuit.
lord, give a directions to reinstate, my
That
lord.
can be done. That
Yes,
can be done.
He is also, my lord, agreed. Yes, direction to be given. For reinstatement, my lord.
No.
In that
Why
judgment, my
am I
lord,
to reinstate. I have already set aside the order. Automatically he'll be.
no, my lord, they will not do, my lord. Again, my lord, in that, my lord, judgment which I have placed last occasion, my lord, in that case also, my lord, if direction has been given to them, my lord, the responding
Back wages
authorities.
and everything. Direction has been given, but he is that civil anomalies. No, this is criminal
No, my lord,
anomaly.
that is not connected. That proceeding is going on, my lord. That is separate issue, my lord. What I'm praying for is, at least I gave directions to the respondent authorities to reinstate me after sitting aside, my lord, of the impugn extension order, my lord. That's it, my lord.
Reinstate? Why? He will be automatically reinstate.
No, my
That
lord, I am under,
suspension order is-
under suspension, my lord. I am under suspension, my lord. That is the whole period, my lord. That will suffice as he rightly pointed out, he's fair enough, my lord. He is, the senior government council, my lord, the submission is fair enough, my lord. The direction can be given for the, my lord, for reinstatement, my lord. Even in that case also, my lord,
No, that is something different, you see. This is a case under POSCO Act and a police officer, allegation against a police officer, not a
my lord,
fourth grade person or
in-
not
in
a,
service matter, my lord, that is not at all connected, my lord.
I understand.
Yes,
But you see, conduct of a police
my lord,
officer.
this is my fair submission, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, again, the department will not reinstate me, my lord. The suspension will be not revoked, my lord. Not reinstate, my lord, exactly, the revoke the suspension order, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, purpose of this writ petition will become redundant, my lord. My lord, my friend is fair enough.
When extension is lawsuit is set aside by this one, automatically lawsuit he has to be reinstated lawsuit.
Automatically. That is
My
what
lord,
I'm saying.
my lord, that
Automatically
word, my lord, at least
reinstated.
just so as to
He can
clarify, otherwise.
Approach the authority.
My lord,
Automatically.
That also is their lawsuit. And even if
no, my lord, if
even
Kelia Rashitali is not there, my lord, department will be again confused, my lord. So that part, my lord, since he is also admitting, my lord. Fair enough, my lord.
See, disconnect the video.